Hurricane Fiona was churning north after bringing torrential rain and powerful winds to the Dominican Republic and triggering a total power outage in neighboring Puerto Rico, where at least 2 people died. The Category 2 hurricane will likely become a Category 3 as it moves across warm Caribbean waters toward the Turks and Caicos. Fiona was upgraded to a Category 2 with winds of 169 km/h by the National Hurricane Center on Monday evening. The center of Fiona is expected to pass nearer to the east of the archipelago, which is subject to a current hurricane warning, the U.S. National Hurricane Center said. Tropical storm conditions were also expected in the Bahamas. Fiona caused severe flooding, leaving several villages isolated, and some 800 evacuees and more than 11,000 people without power in the eastern region of the country. In Puerto Rico, a territory of the United States, residents were still facing strong winds, frequent lightning and heavy rain. The storm comes 5 years after the Puerto Rico was ravaged by Hurricane Maria, which triggered the worst power blackout in U.S. history.